In today's video, I'm going to teach you mail merge tutorial for Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know how to start a mail merge from a deal and create a reusable template, all inside your CRM. First, head to your Zoho CRM homepage. From there, navigate to the Sales section and open the Deals module. Pick any sample deal record to work with. The specific name isn't important here. We just need a deal open so we can access the mail merge options and connect the template to the right module. With the deal list in view, look for the More Options menu, the three dots next to the Mass Update button. Click that menu, then select Mail Merge. This opens the Mail Merge interface for deals. If you don't have a template yet, use the link provided in this window to go straight to the Template Manager. That's where we'll set up a new template that you can use again and again. In the Template Manager, click New Template. When prompted to choose a module, select Deals so the template can pull fields like deal name, amount, and closing date. Give your template a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Next, choose where to save it. For this walkthrough, select Public Mail Merge Templates. Saving it in a public folder makes it available to your team, which is helpful for shared workflows. If you prefer to keep it private, you can choose a private location instead, but we'll stick to the public option for now. You can also add a brief description to note what the template is for or when to use it. Click Create. Zoho Writer will open in a new tab with your blank template ready to edit. Type some sample text to get the structure in place. For example, a greeting, a short body paragraph, and a closing line. If you plan to personalize the document later, the Merge Fields panel in Writer lets you insert dynamic fields from the Deals module. But for this tutorial, we'll just add simple text so you can see the end-to-end flow. When you're done, click Done in the Writer window. You should see a confirmation message in CRM indicating that the Merge template has been updated successfully. Finally, close the Writer tab to return to Zoho CRM. Your new template is now saved and ready to use with your deals via the Mail Merge option. That's it, quick, clean, and repeatable for your team. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more.